And welcome to another video, guys. Today I'm making dinner. So what will we do? I think I'll make a toast, like how do you call it, some bread, some salami, some cheese, some nacho cheese, maybe some ketchup, stuff like that. So if you want to see how I do it, stay with me. So here's my fridge. If I get intruders, that's the weapon I use on them. Anyways, okay. So, oh, I still have a salad, I see. Oh, my fridge: yogurt, salami, salad, cucumbers, raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, cheeses. What do I need? I need bread. So first we'll cut and toast the bread, then we'll add some of the salami, that one, and maybe some of the cheeses and stuff like that. So let's do it. First task is cut the bun. Okay. Yay! Mission successful. Now let's put these puppies to be warmed up in a toaster. The buns are ready to be heated. Like this, see? Russell Hobbs toaster. So yeah, we'll leave them there for about 5 minutes. I think that should be okay for them to become crunchy and tasty. Until then, guys, let's wait. And yeah, my kitchen sink. Oh, around the camera. So yeah, okay. Yeah, today I got my AC installed here in the apartment. So that's a big deal for me. And yeah, now we'll get some chow. And after that, yeah, watch a movie or something like that. Today I think I'll watch the movie called Nope. I think it's about aliens and stuff, like sci-fi movie / comedy, something like that. So yeah, we'll see that movie today. Have my dinner, which is this sandwich that I'm preparing. Okay, we should better get back to the sandwich that I'm preparing, right? Right. So let's go collect the ingredients from the fridge. So I'm already burning it. I'll take, this is ham. I'll take, this is nacho cheese. Ooh. My hand is not big enough. Then we'll take some ketchup, tomato ketchup. And lastly, we'll take some of these cheeses. Cheeses in leaves, as you call them. So, yeah, ketchup, nacho, and ham. It's hard to do this with one hand, guys. You won't believe it, you know. Now I know how the... Okay, I'll just shut up. People with one hand feel like... Ooh, okay, I'll show you the ham now. The ham. So yeah, we'll put this. Let's check it out. Nah, it's still not ready. So we'll put some ham. We'll put some nacho. We'll put some of that cheese, and we'll put some ketchup. And that's basically what my sandwich and my dinner will be made of, guys. Yeah. As we wait for the bread to be warmed up, or how do you call it? Toasted. Toasted, that's the word. Let's do the cheeses. So I need at least of 2 slices of this cheese. So how do I open you? Yeah, like that. That's Mr. Cheese number 1. Okay. Let's go for Mr. Cheese number 2 for the other bread, yeah? See, they don't break correctly. Cheap stuff, you know, guys. I think for how much? 400 grams, so almost half a kilo of cheese. This one was like 2.5 euros in Spar in Europe, yeah? I think that's a pretty good deal, you know? What do you think, guys? How much is 400 of these cheeses in your country? Write me in the comments there. Okay, so yeah, the bread is done, as we can see. You can see, and it's also very, very hot. So I'll spread the cheese around, something like this. It's still hot. Next. Oh, we have to unplug the plug from the toaster. After cheese, we need some of nacho cheese. So let's nacho cheese. After that, guys, it's running out almost the ketchup, but yeah, I'm afraid whenever I squeeze it, it's like squirts a lot. Okay, something like that. Tasty. And lastly, could put some of this ham on top of it. Ooh, yeah. We'll put half more because I have 2 more left. And yeah, this is basically the sandwich. I call it nacho pizza sandwich. Now we repeat the process. The second, fuck, it's hot. Anyway, the second piece of toast, I put on the cheese first. So the cheese kind of melts because it's hot. Pizza. It's hot. Let's put the rest of the ketchup. Sounds like farting, doesn't it? You see, if you do like this, you get most out of the embellage, which goes to trash now because I used it all. Here's how it looks. Yeah. Next one, nacho cheese. We are cheating on my sandwich, the nacho cheese. Oh yeah. And as you know, the last thingy, the ham. The Hampshire ham. And there you go. My tasty, almost dropped it, dinner. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Big Joe making his dinner. If you did, press a like. Write me down your comments below. What else would you put on a sandwich, or how you would make it differently, taste better. And until then, until next time, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, Big Joe out. Take care, guys.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.